So now we'll see the next concept of digital sum. So what is a digital sum means? So normally to find the lucky numbers, say for getting a number for their car, so they'll add all the numbers and some feel 8 is a lucky number or some will feel 9 as a lucky number or 5. So they add all the numbers and see that what is the final sum. So this is the digital sum. And now we'll see the concept of digital sum. Mostly this concept is used to verify whether the working is correct. So for addition or multiplication, so this digital sum is used to verify the answers. Say for example, so suppose you are multiplying, so 1, 3, 3, 1 with 11. And I have told you how to find the product of a number with 11. So for this, so write this 1, add 1 and 3, it is 4, add 3 and 3, it is 6, so add 3 and 1, it is 4, and write 1. So product of 1, 3, 3, 1 with 11 is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now we'll check whether our working is correct. So for this checking, we use the digital sum. So here digital sum is nothing but adding the digits. So here what is sum of this 1, 3, 3, 1? So add 1 plus 3, it is 4. 4 plus 3, it is 7. 7 plus 1, it is 8. So sum of all these digits is 8. And what is sum of 1 and 1? It is 2. So as we are multiplying, we have to multiply the digital sum. So if it is addition, we have to add the digital sum. Add the digital sum of these two numbers. So here it is product, we have to multiply. What is 8 into 2? 16. Now again find the digital sum for this. So 1 plus 6, it ends with 7. And now we'll check if you are getting the same 7 on the other side. So if it is 7, our working is correct. So now add all the numbers. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So we get 16. And now the digital sum on the right hand side is also 7. So we have got 7 on either side. So our working is correct. So for verification process, this digital sum is used. And now we can use the same concept when we are multiplying a given question. So if in a given question we have product of 3 or 4 numbers, or when we are doing this percentage question, so we can use the same concept and check with the options which option tallies with this digital sum, and we can choose the answer. And now using this digital sum, we will see how to work out the questions. Say suppose, so when you are, so to find the digital sum, easy method is, suppose you have a number 9, 4, 5, 6, 2. Now what will be the sum? So seeing the number you can say the answer is 8. So because, so whenever you have 9, so no need to add 9 and 4, 13 and then with 5 and get the answer. So whenever you have 9, so you omit that number. So because any number added with 9, you will get the same digital sum. And 4 and 5 is 9. So we can leave that. Add 6 and 2, that is 8. So whenever adding the numbers, whenever you have 9, or suppose when you have another digit as 3, 6 plus 3 is 9. So we can leave that. And what will be the digital sum? 2. So easily we can get the digital sum instead of adding all the numbers and getting the final sum. And now we'll see how to work out the question using this concept of digital sum. How to get the answer with the options using this concept. So here the question is, find the product of 528 into 793. And here we have a set of options. Now instead of multiplying these two numbers and getting the answer, so we'll use the digital sum concept. So we'll find what is the sum of the digital sum on the left hand side. So the question is 528 into 793. So what is the digital sum of the left hand side? So that is the question. So add 5 and 2, it is 7, or we can add 8 and 2, it is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 when we add it is 6. And what will be the digital sum of this multiplicand? So we have 9, we can leave that. 7 plus 3 is 10, so 1 plus 0 is 1. So 6 into 1, so we get digital sum as 6 in the question. Now we'll check which option will give you the same digital sum. So the first option is 4, 1, 8, 7, 1, 4. Now adding all, we can get the digital sum. So here we have 7 and 1, 2. So 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So we can leave that. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So 16 when added, so we get digital sum 7. So this can't be the answer. Now we'll check with the second option. Option B. So it is 4, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4. Now adding all the digits, we'll check what is the digital sum. So 6 and 3 is 9, we can leave that. So here 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, so 19 plus 4 is 23. So when we add 2 and 3 it is 5, so digital sum is 5, it is not 6, so we can omit this option also. So when you practice, so by practice, so easily you can find the digital sum and you can get the correct answer. And now we'll check for option C. So 4, 1, 8, 7, 0, 4. Now we can leave this 8 and 1 because it is 9. So add 4 and 7, it is 11. So 11 plus 4 is 15. So 15 when you add, so we get the digital sum as 6. So this can be the answer. So we'll check for the option D also. And then if it has another digital sum, so we'll fix up that C is the answer. So the option D is, so 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, we can leave these numbers. So 7 plus 7 it is 14, 14 when added it is 5. So the answer is option C, that is 418704. So now using the digital sum concept, so we have got the answer, that is product of 528 into 793 is 418704, option C. So in the same way, we'll try the next example. So the next question is simplify. So find 83% of 942 plus 78% of 3452. So here also we can use the digital sum concept. So because it is 83% means 83 by 100. So when we add 1 and zeros, it is 1. So we can easily use the digital sum concept to get the answer. And now we'll see what is the sum of the digital sum of the given question. The question is, so 83% of 942 plus 78%, so of it is into 3452. So we will find the digital sum of the left hand side. That is the question given. So we can omit this denominators. So what will be the sum for 8 and 3? It is 11. So 11 when added it is 2. And here leaving this 9, 4 plus 2 is 6. So what is 6 into 2? It is, so we'll do this in the next step. And here 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 plus 1 it is 6. And leaving this 4 and 5 we have 3 plus 2, 5. And now 2 into 6 is 12 and 6 into 5 it is 30. So here digital sum is 3 and here it is 3. So for this question also, the question digital sum is 6. So now we'll check which option will have the same digital sum. So if we have decimal also, just we can add the numbers. So here the digital sum is 6. So for option A, 0.42. And now what will be the digital sum? So we can leave this 7 and 2 because it is 9. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15. And we get the sum as 6. And we'll check for option B. So we have the same digital sum for option A. So it is 3571.82. And now 8 plus 1, 9, we can leave this. 7 plus 2 is 9, we can leave this. So digital sum is 8. Now for option C, we'll see what is the digital sum. So we can leave the 6 and 3 because it is 9. And 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. So digital sum is 4. And we'll check for option D. So this option B and C has different digital sum. And we'll check for option C, what is the digital sum. So for A, we have got the sum, digital sum as 6. And now what will be the digital sum? So we can leave the 6 and 3, it is 9. Leave the 7 and 2, it is 9. So add 7 and 5, it is 12. So digital sum is 3. So this can be the answer. So answer is option A. So the value for 83% of 942 plus 78% of 3452 is option A, 3474.42. So easily we can arrive at the answer. We can choose the answer from the options using the digital sum concept. So we'll see the next concept.